Welcome back. Today we are here with a new video that is about a very important topic of our English grammar, that is noun. In this video we will understand what is it and its types. So let's start. Noun. What is noun? A noun is the name of any person, place, animal, thing or idea. Okay? Examples. Honey sings a song. इस सेंटेंस विच अपना नाउन की है हनी. It is telling us about the name of any person. Person दा नाम है. Honey sings a song. Okay. Next. My family lives in Mohalli. Mohalli is also a noun. It is a place. Okay. Jaipur is a nice place. Jaipur, it is also a place. Okay. So like this we can take an example. The dog is a faithful animal. Dog is an animal. It is very faithful, we can say. Okay. So here dog is noun. Now let's go through the types of nouns. There are basically 5 types of nouns. Proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun and material noun. So now we will discuss about them. Proper noun. What is proper noun? A proper noun is the name of a particular person, place or thing. Okay. Example Agra, Red Fort, Shaminder, etc. Okay. So we will take some examples. First, my name is Jasprit Kaur. Here Jasprit Kaur, it's a proper noun. It is talking particularly about a person. Okay. Next, Delhi is the capital of India. Okay. Here Delhi is a particular place. Okay. Jaipur is called Pink City. Jaipur is the name of place. Okay. So it is also a proper noun. My friend teaches in Army Public School. Army Public School is a name of a school, a particular name. Okay. So it is also a proper noun. Now let's discuss about common noun. What is common noun? A name that is used commonly for persons, things or place. Okay. Examples. Girl. We don't know which girl we are talking about. Book, pencil, man, woman, etc. Okay. Now let's take some examples. First, girls like to play hockey. Do you know which girls we are talking about? There is no particular name of any girl. Okay. Next, there are many beautiful parks in Mohalli. Which park? We are not talking about which park, so it is also a common noun. People like to live in the city. People also common noun. My friend reads a book. Here friend is also common noun and book is also common noun. Okay. Now the next one is collective noun. What is collective noun? A name is given to a group of people, animals or things of the same kind is called a collective noun. Example, class. It's a group of many students. Crowd, team, etc. Let's take some examples. A group of keys. What is a group of keys called? A bunch. Okay. So it is also a collective noun. So a sentence can be made. I lost a bunch of keys yesterday. Okay. Second, a group of flowers. What is a group of flowers called? A bouquet. So a sentence can be made. We gifted a bouquet to our new manager. So here bouquet is also collective noun. The next one is abstract noun. What is an abstract noun? A name is given to a quality, state, feeling or emotion is called an abstract noun. Examples: childhood, anger, excellence, privacy, etc. Okay. Some sentences. The length of the rope had to be 6 meter. Length. Here the word length is abstract noun. Okay. Second, his knowledge about the earth is very good. Here the word knowledge is also abstract noun. Third, Wisdom cannot be bought. So here wisdom is also abstract noun. Every parent should ensure the safety of their children. Here the word safety is also abstract noun. The next one is material noun. What is material noun? The name of a material or substance of which the things are made up of. Example: milk, sugar, gold, silver, wood, or water we can take. In material noun, we classify material noun into two types: countable noun and uncountable noun. Countable noun, what is it? That can be counted. Okay, and uncountable noun cannot be counted. Firstly, let's take the examples of countable nouns. Books, pencils, glass, pen, etc. They can be counted. Uncountable example: milk, sugar, tea, oil, wood, water. They cannot be counted. Now some sentences about countable nouns. First, there is one fridge in the room. It can be counted, it's one. Second, there are 5 chairs. 5 chairs. So here 5 is also countable noun. There are 2 lamps on the wall. 2 lamps, they can be counted, so it is also countable noun. There are 3 apples. And the last one is there are 10 eggs in the fridge. Okay, so here 10 is also countable noun. Next sentence is about uncountable nouns. First, there is some milk in the fridge. You can't count how much milk. We can't count the frequency of the milk. Okay. Second, I like to use organic butter in the cakes I bake. So here butter is also uncountable. Third, there is some juice. Some juice. Do you know how much some? Okay, it's some is also uncountable. Fourth, there is a lot of bread. A lot of bread means how much, how many. Okay. Fifth, I ate chicken for dinner. So here chicken is also uncountable noun. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। जे ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਵਧੀਆ ਲੱਗੀ ਤਾਂ ਲਾਈਕ ਦਾ ਬਟਨ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਦਬਿਓ ਤੇ ਹੋਰ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਦੇਖਣ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਚੈਨਲ ਨੂੰ ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਕਰਿਓ। ਅਗਲੀ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਲਦੀ ਹਾਜ਼ਰ ਹੋਵਾਂਗੇ। ਉਦੋਂ ਤੱਕ ਲਈ ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ।